Morning, guys. I am getting ready to edit and all that good stuff, the computer. And this morning I'm having mushrooms down there, egg whites, half an avocado, salsa and sour cream. That's it. I got my coffee, don't mind the mug, and my water over here. And I just got some editing to do, with some uploading to do, some scheduling to do. That's my morning. Check in later, guys. Bye. This sucks so bad. It's the 4th of July and it's raining like crazy. Okay, guys, so as some of you know, I have sciatica, or like back pain, so I want to show you guys some of the exercises that are good for that and some of the stuff that I do that I learned in physical therapy. So you have your ball, obviously. So one of the things that you can do is you have your ball, you have the ball underneath your heels like this, and then you're going to just come in and go out. Come in, come out, in and out. And you're going to do 3 sets of these, 10 reps a piece, okay? So I'm going to do these. And I'm just going to go through and show you the next one. So the next one, you bring the ball in, so it's all the way in, right? Like you want your butt touching the ball, okay? So this one can be a little bit more painful because it's going to involve you rotating, right, left and right, and it kind of like stretches out the muscles and stuff. So you're going to tilt your whole body. You're going to try to keep your back flat on the floor. You're going to tilt, and it's going to stretch everything in here, right? And you just kind of hold it. I'm running into the wall here, so I can't go as far as I want to. But same thing. Sorry. So you're going to turn and hold it, and you're just going to let your back stretch out. Usually you can do like 10 or 20 of these each side. And just go back, go back, go back, go back, go back. And those are just 2 fun and helpful exercises that you can do to help your sciatic. Hey guys, just checking in for lunch. So I'm still editing videos like hours and hours and hours later. It's 1:38 right now. So for lunch I just made, it's 2 tablespoons of mayo, just mayo, with some tuna, and I put some peppers in there, and then I have some pepperoni on the side, and I'm going to have it with these Good Thins veggie blend. They're gluten-free crackers. They're super good. I love them. So I'm going to have that, and I will talk to you guys later. All right. Bye. Good morning, guys. So, it's been a rough. Yesterday was the 4th of July. I had to work. I didn't really vlog at all. I vlogged in the morning, then after work I didn't vlog at all. But again, I'll have all my calories and all that stuff at the end of the vlog for yesterday. That'll go up today on the 5th. But yeah. So I'm just here now. I'm gonna quickly show you what I have. So I got some cereal with almond milk, and I got a banana, and then I got some coffee. Nothing great, nothing fantastic. I'm just tired. So I'm gonna eat this, take a shower, like I had to work again. I did meal prep, but I started eating tuna, and now I crave tuna all the time. So I made some tuna, and I started eating it with crackers right now, and I was like, no, because I wanted to eat it for lunch. So I got some tuna with some peppers again, with some crackers, with some pepperoncinis that I put in a container to bring to lunch with me today. So hopefully I have time and I remember to check in with you guys for lunch. So I'll see you in a little bit. Bye!